it's Gma here. Welcome to my room tour. I thought it would be a little funny to do those architectural digest videos like celebrities do because I like to think that I'm a celebrity of my own life. Just kidding, that was cringe. Anyways, so I'm gonna start off with my wall and behind my door. I'm very much a person that collects pictures and likes to keep memories, so I try to put everything on my wall, whether it's super random, whether it's super sentimental. I just love to collect things, and I like to call this wall a museum of my little life. And moving on to some letters that I have, and this picture that my friend gave me from her photography, and a ukulele and an amp and some random wires and jump ropes. And I like to collect plushies. My friends gave me these plushies and I have a matching one with the ditto. And yeah, I just like to cuddle with these things, and my mom got me this grateful pillow. I also have this guitar on my wall that I kind of know how to play, however my hands cramp up all the time. And I also have this piece work that I made for my Bachelor's of Fine Arts program for drawing and painting, and I called it Creation of Eve. And now, starting off at my desk, I like to also collect knickknacks. Yes, they are old juice boxes, but I also love to collect souvenirs that my friends have gotten from their travels. And I've gotten a lot of questions about having a monitor, and I would love a monitor. However, I am on the move a lot of the times. Just because it's summer, I am home more often, but I'm most likely at school or just out at church. And I love to collect vintage items like this old candle and this vintage mirror. I also got this anatomical skeletal label from Art Supply Warehouse, and I have a toolbox under my desk. That is not the most traditional way to store things, but I found this in my neighborhood, and I put my pencils and some books and some old jars and beakers that I have. And next to my desk, I have these toolboxes and this typewriter and some books. Next to my desk, I also have an easel that I just got from Art Supply Warehouse, and I'm currently working on a project. I will be posting a video about my artwork soon, so that's currently in the process. I love how this easel matches a lot of my furniture, such as my desk and my bookshelf, which is right next to the easel. And just like the rest of my room, I also have a lot of knickknacks, a lot of books that I have read, I have bought, and books that I will probably never get to reading. And on the other side of my wall, I have my reading chair that I have never read in. I just like the aesthetic of it since it matches the furniture of my room. And I have a studio chair, and I also have this record player, and I like to listen to instrumentals. Now, moving on to my closet, it's not the most aesthetically pleasing. It's just for the purpose of storing places, but I just thought I would show you guys. So I have a hamper full of my undergarments and a bunch of clothes that are folded and some backpacks. Yeah, a lot of miscellaneous things. I did deep clean my closet, and yet I do have a lot of stuff, and yet I don't seem to have enough clothes for me to wear. You know the struggles. Anyways, so yeah, and then I have a little bit of art supplies and yeah, some old canvases. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, if you guys want an extended version of my room tour, such as like my wall and a more detailed description of where I got certain items, I would be happy to do that. I really enjoy editing, and I really enjoy talking about my life. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and Gma out.